Hey, so today we are reviewing some new gadgets, right? So I got me some new gadgets here. Um, I got me finally, it's the DJI Pocket 3, and we are going to do the unboxing today for the DJI Pocket 3. So guys, so I hope that you enjoy this unboxing with me. It's my first uh expensive camera. It cost an arm and a leg. Yeah, it cost an arm and a leg. So I'm going to upgrade from my current setup to the DJI Pocket 3. So let's do a bit of unboxing. So I also got the magnet uh holder to attach the DJI Pocket 3 anywhere, and I also got a stand for the DJI Pocket 3 as well, right? So let's open up this and see what comes in this, right? Ugh. Right, and we just have like the manuals, etc. So let's put that aside, and so we got the DJI here. Let's open up this and see what's in here. Probably charger or something. Okay, seems like nothing inside of it. It's a piece of paper. Let's put this aside. Let's put this aside because currently I'm using this for my lighting right now at the moment, right? So I'm currently using this. This is about how many feet? Extended to 14. Don't know if you can see it there. 1480 mm extend, right? It looks like this, and the DJI just screw on right here. So I got all of this from my YouTube reviews. I was looking at some reviews. All right, let's see, what is this? Okay, this is I believe it's the protector for the DJI Pocket. Okay, so you have this here. Let's put this here. So that comes in the package. Right, so we got here, looks like a battery. So we have a small battery. So this combo I got is the creator combo, right? I found out this for me would be the better option by just upgrading a 150 more, etc., and you get just additional stuff. This would be the wide angle lens, right? Would be the wide angle lens. We have here a strap. Okay, have to figure out where the strap going. So we have a strap, and we have, I believe this would be for the mic, right? So got that for the mic. This looks like them. So this is my first professional mic, right? This is actually my first professional mic. Right, so this is actually my first professional mic. The DJI, I can't wait to hear this song because I'm upgrading from this thing. This is like El Cheapo, right? I'm upgrading away from this to the DJI. So, you know, can't wait to use this. Right? So we're gonna probably throw away this or give somebody this. Not being ungrateful, I'm gonna still use it. Right? So we have the DJI mic. That's really nice though. It's a bit heavy. Compared to this is paper. This one fell down a couple of times, and this one actually, I don't know if it could take the jam, but this is a look like the bigger battery, right? So we have here the bigger battery, right? It's lots of thing in here, man. So we have here, it looks like the magnet for the mic. Okay, so it's a magnet for the DJI mic, right? So it's the magnet. We have here the stand for the DJI, and we have our Type-C charging port as well. Okay, and I think for the grand finale, we have the DJI itself. All right, so I do love this case. It's really nice. It's compact on the go. So the camera has a bit of weight to it. So it's right. So the camera has a bit of weight to it. But up here on top feels flimsy. Okay. So this goes here. Clips. And this goes here. So I got my DJI mic. Impressive, impressive. DJI Pocket Tree. It's very, very, very nice. I love it. So this looks like 12 inches. I feel this is about 12. This whole thing is probably about 12 inches a foot. It looks like a foot. Right? It looks like a foot. This is the mic. Okay, so this is the wind muff for the mic. It's pretty cool. Right? This is the shorter piece. Okay, so guys, this is the DJI Pocket 3. Be upgrading to this camera to do content, and I just want to thank the Lord for the finances to purchase this, you know. All right, so we have this. We'll rest this down right here, and we are going to open this one. This would be the magnet case. I saw this on YouTube where you can stick your DJI on any magnet like surface. So that is basically pretty cool. Yeah, that is pretty cool. So you can stick your DJI on anything that has magnet. Right?